Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can write checks with Novo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm finally here to answer it for you. What is Novo? Before we get into the details, let's take a quick look at what Novo is. Novo is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and business banking. One of the most popular features of Novo is that it allows you to get paid up to 2 days early. Can you write checks with Novo? The short answer is yes, you can write checks with Novo. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. You need to order a checkbook. Novo doesn't provide checkbooks by default. You'll need to order one through the Novo app or website. There is a fee for ordering a checkbook. The fee for ordering a checkbook is $10. It can take up to 2 weeks for your checkbook to arrive. Once you place your order, it can take up to 2 weeks for your checkbook to arrive. How to write a check with Novo. Once you have your checkbook, writing a check with Novo is easy. Just follow these steps. Fill out the pay to the order of line with the name of the person or business you're paying. Fill out the amount line with the amount of the payment. Sign your name on the signature line. Tear off the check and mail it to the recipient. Tips for writing checks with Novo. Be sure to write the date on your check. Double-check the amount before you sign your check. Keep a record of all the checks you write. Yes, you can write checks with Novo. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. If you're considering using Novo, I recommend taking a look at their website or talking to a customer service representative to learn more about their services. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.